Hello. I solve problems on binary search. A couple of days back, I came across this post by Lokender, and he has this very interesting repository called as Log of Learning. I clicked on it and came across this. So I thought like it is some sort of roadmap to learn something, but clearly it was not. So it was all of his things which he has learned on daily basis put into one place, and that was brilliant. But at the same time, I also thought like it's a kind of tedious process because you need to like edit, readme and add notes and all that sort of stuff. But again, I saw this readme generator later on, and it really interested me. It really is an efficient way of modifying your readme, synchronizing notes, your new notes into your readme. So I thought like, okay, why not create one of my own? And I did. So this is like a problem in lead code. I clearly did not knew this method, so I thought like, why not add it here? Maybe I might need to remember it later on or something. And that was brilliant. And also I created a template for this. So I just wanted to make this video for my friends who can do this method to remember things more efficiently. There are things, Evernote and all that, but it's kind of tedious process to write down all the thing. So here it is. So what I suggest is that you fork this template to any one under here or under your username, right? And then if you're like yet another user like me, go here. Just go ahead and create a new repository. So new, you choose this template because you already like forked on. So yeah, something like this. I did because I'm the host of this repository. So just now this is like you've forked this template repository under your account. So you choose that. So you can choose your owner as yourself, and yet another, give a name to your repository and description, and you get to choose it, whether if it's need to be private or public according to your preference. You create the repository. Once done, copy it, open up your terminal, clone it, right? So yeah, I'm using Linux. So this sort of involves a script which is like dependent on Linux, which is like the bash. So probably you can use in Windows with having the WSL, Windows subsystem, or maybe Cygwin or this or that. So here I am. So I'm gonna go to my notes, right? So there's this notes dd mmyyd, md markdown. So all you have to do is like copy that note to and change like whatever the date things you're learning in. So 01, yeah, this is like okay, and there's Jan and 2021. Okay, and then I'm gonna use nano to be simple. Oops, not this, but this. So here there is a couple of sentences, modify them, and this format is important because it really like passed into like a date object in the script. And I do like Jan. So here's like a code markdown script. syntax highlighter with like Python, and then you can put Python code, similarly your code stuff. So main point is like learned about this is important. So okay, so this is not actually important. I mean this is important. So the 3 hash symbols and the number, and then go ahead and edit your stuff out. Say like learned a new stuff and something about that stuff. Point 1, point 2, yes, same thing. So if you wanna make something out of that, go ahead and just edit that out. Maybe like print Python, maybe like again, yeah, sure. So also make sure that you are here and you go to like notes and you copy the URL. Maybe some might, you might get master with your preference. It's main, since like Microsoft acquired GitHub, and go back to your repository home or the main branch and edit the file, and you put your URL here, right? And also do this because it's like the script, and that's it. So what you have to do is like, okay, so you already have created a node. All you have to do is like deploy. Make sure you have executive permissions. I mean, it has already, I guess. And you do that, it will ask your name, or yeah, I mean, again, it is your GitHub preference, what you have the thing in your config. If it's not, it won't ask, would straight away, oopsie. Let me go ahead and try again. Whoa, okay. And that's it. So once you do it, you go here, yet another, and you get your stuff here, and then you click on that, and you have this nice thing here again. Maybe if you wanna add one more, right, you go on there and edit out your nodes. So copy this, blah 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 blah, you and you, oopsie. Okay, here's like one more thing that I learned on this day. Learned a new stuff, learned another stuff, same thing and same thing, and hello world again, hello world twice. I mean, this is a very poor thing, but yeah, sure. So go ahead and deploy it. Okay, I guess need to add something like auto, I mean, entering name and password is kind of irritating. Okay, sure. So go notes, or you could have refreshed it. I mean, yet another repository. Yeah, here it is, learned another stuff. You can go there. It automatically opens up your stuff, and then you can see that. That's about it. Whoops, where's my, okay. Yeah, thank you.